reason why Esther did more the way she did today is because Esther was desperate for publicity. Say make Ugboloko carry an apology, go that side. I dislike mannerless people. Senior, no, they smell rich. You understand? Let's take care. Very useless woman, my lady, my Masai, no Masebra. Miss Princess, that's for joining. Una they get me so. Because Esther is so desperate, now she carry herself come meet presenters. Yes. Now she carry herself come meet presenters. We can make presenters notice her. We can make presenters start to the drag her because she went to presenters for visibility. She wanted to be popular. Una know say Esther, they always do one thing. If not be God, we go bless all presenters we stand for this matter, say, and all the good edos are there. Both the show promoter and the people where they spray for party, all of us play big role in placing Esther to where she belongs. That make her to come aside and do a no-sense sticker AI apology. And we are rejecting those apology. Because now video she do to insult Edo people. The Yoruba people where they follow her, the Igbo people where they follow her, they were watching her. Where she used English, they talk and say, you, where they look me so, where they Europe, now where they Europe, and they see una for chest station and they smell. You understand me? Now English she used. All the Destinatico, all of them was watching her. So she coming out to write a nonsensical buhehe note to claim that she's apologizing. We reject that apology. We don't need it. Apology not be our problem, my people. The least person where we need the apology right now Esther. Wait till we tell her, say, make she carry her bag and baggages, go back home. Because if you carry her for show, you are going to live to tell the story. If you carry her for marriage, you are going to live to tell the story. If you carry her for birthday, you are going to live to tell the story. Now, my people, how Esther with her family take enter social media? Make I tell now, how Esther, Destiny family, how they take enter media, where be say they still the media till today. If we say make with soccer way, not be only Destiny be the first Edoma where they don't carry matter on social media. Not be Destiny be the first Edoma. Now let me tell you, few years ago, a live video presenter cry out. I want to tell you now, Destiny never they come out for each testimony, but I want to tell you now the reason why Destiny with his wife come social media, Esther, the reason why they come media, where they say they can't turn to the laughing stock, they can't turn to laughing stock, where they can't bring out their shame and disgrace. Few years ago, live video presenter, where they call Ivie, she cried out. She cried out few years ago. When Ivie come, cry out, she say, Destiny, the husband to Esther, say he dey blackmail her. May una share this video because Esther the phone say she not do anything. She not do anything. People just they drag her for nothing. I want to let her know what they do now. She and her family what they don't do so far. So that she go know say now the things where they do, now people they drag they put. Not be only she not when it comes to Benin musicians, skeleton or son, go and eat your apple. Yes, so we don't need that. When it comes to musicians or Benin for women, Estekia no come out for no bar 10. But now she's disrespecting those as seniors because those ones not get money. Yeah, because they not get money, guys. I'm coming. I collect something. Share the video. Okay, when I share this video. Share. All right, so yeah, let's go there. Now she's even doing the thing. She's disrespecting her seniors, people when she come meet for industry, she dey disrespect all of them. And how she take the disrespect them, my people? She's always saying, they not do this one, they not do that one, they not make her, they not meet up. Are you getting me? This Gina na Esther account. Now Esther they use this Gina. Esther, sit down, you can't listen. Advice I go they give you. No matter how you cry, Rich, I go just they give you advice. I will not block you. All right? I will not block you. She thinks she can insult Europe people anytime she like because she can always apologize. Yes, we don't need that apology. Gina, anywhere you see that account, if you're a live video presenter, you see an account called Gina. No, it's Esther. Now Esther fake account with that. I've known that account for a very long time, and now Esther they use them. So my people, let's go there. Thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. I sat you. Thanks for joining. So guys, How Esther with her husband and their family take on social media. Make I tell you now. One of our live video presenter, Ivienivie, cried out years ago. She said, Destiny, they blackmail her with her nakedness. Say, Destiny, they threaten her. Say, if she not pay 2 million, he go share her kpekus. Say, he go share Ivienivie kpekus. Ivie con they cry. Ivie con they cry. Ivie not cry to Monica. Ivie cry to Monica. Ivie con go tell Monica, say, see, Destiny, they blackmail now. He be don't beg her. You know, yeah, you know what delete. He said not go delete the picture. Say some main live video presenter where she will be via the insult. So if you say they go pay the Destiny 1 million, make it forward the picture for them, make it forward the Ivie nakedness for them. So Monica come outside, come begin the saga Destiny. Monica come the saga Destiny. A lot of live video presenters constantly support Ivie say, Destiny, this thing is not good, not very bad thing. Why you go they blackmail your Edo sister? Why you go they use nakedness today blackmail your Edo sister? That was how Destiny dragging started with Esther. Make you listen. So that time, Esther don't the friend Destiny, but they do and hide. Esther don't the friend Destiny, but she they do and hide. So a lot of people come they para for Esther and Destiny. Say, Esther, you the friend Destiny. And Destiny, they blackmail woman, a dog woman like this. You know, if you tell her, say, not good. Instead, you see, they do nyaka, as they do so, they sink rubbish, they cover nonsense, which they live. The nonsense life, which they live so. Now, Monica can start to the saga Esther, can start to the saga Destiny. Meanwhile, before that saga starts, before that saga starts, Esther don't forget issue for grant of dragging. Thanks for joining, my lady. Mama Sayano, Mama Sayano. Please, guys, thumbs up, love, and like, and share. Before that matter happen, Esther, they don't fair they drag. Esther don't they drag Edward for Oversabi group where she creates. Oversabi WhatsApp group where she creates. Where they say, now like they can't go the life for inside there. Esther can't go they talk as Destiny take they beat Edward, as Destiny take they blow Edward, as Destiny take they maltreat Edward, as Destiny take to say no go marry Edward. Esther can't go they debate those issues inside that WhatsApp group. And a member of that WhatsApp group pack those audios, go give Edward. Edward already the verse. The audio now don't escalate. The whole social media don't they play those audio of Esther talking about Edward. Though that time Edward not really get fan base. Esther won that battle. Esther won that battle against Edward because then Edward not to get fan base. Not be now where people say people Sarah will go fight for Edward. That time people not really care about what Edward they pass through. All I will be say Ugboloko don't use juju kawai. She they sing music. Though we know the saga Edward do. We know the saga Edward, but if two of them they get issue like this, we know they talk put for in the favor of Edward. We know they talk put because Edward too know they come outside to cry out or to explain. She'll just lock up. Now, according to waiting me here, Monica take gets Estekia audio. Edward person went forward all those audio for Isa Esther meeting. Go give Edward say see what Esther they talk inside group about you. See all the lie where Esther they put for your head though. See. That anger where Edward they. Now Edward they forward Esther audios. Also go give that person. Person where they go they talk about me for inside that group. See as her life be. See how she they go juju up and down. See how she they go this one up and down. Listen, Mose, don't ask me question. You know why I say they look you because you never insult me. You understand? You always they ask me question, but you never insult me. Once you insult me, I will put you for where they say, you know, they see my platform again. You understand? You understand? Somebody say, it's too late to cry when the head is up. Yes. So make Esther not cry for us. No amount of apology where she will give us what we will take. Now, let's continue, my people. So that was how that audio spread out. And during that season, where that audio take come out, Monica was fighting for Ivienivie because Destiny blackmailed Ivienivie with her nakedness. Okay, then the saga for TikTok, they say they no want an apology, never. Now God will bless TikTok people. Now God will bless them because if we don't place her for where she belong, Esther will repeat this same thing. Thanks for joining, my lady God, my person Godwin. Thanks for joining. Esther will repeat this same thing. Esther has been begging for a very long time. She has been begging for a very long time. How long will she continue to beg? When you go tell her and say stop, she will continue. If people just see leave her now, she don't see body pour water, the next thing she come out again, she start to drag people. But this particular time, she wanted to drag innocent adult people to promote a nonsense stuff where she hide come. But it was so unfortunately say, people don't first set trap, waiter say, oh, owner, or because everybody know that every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Thanks for joining, my lady, Mama Gloria. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. You understand? Esther came as usual to insult, to drag innocent adult people, to make names, so that people go hear her name. I believe so. Now hear a video say she thought say if they drag you, and when they drag you, now you go past to sell market. She wanted to come and drag innocent people where not near her, just to promote a Europe tour. But she don't know say there is time for everything. If we fed they look you, you fed they do and we they look you. A day go come and small you go do, God go arrest you. And you go collect waiting no good. You go collect waiting no good. So that was how Esther have been dragged on media. No be say they sit down one place, they go drag them. No, they blackmail somebody called Ivienivier. Ivienivier was blackmailed with an nakedness. Now what you carry the committee be that? Because now during the process where Monica they fight for Ivier, say why Destiny go they blackmail her with her nakedness. Even Ivier they cried that time for live video. That was how those audio of Esther fall out. That is how audio of Esther fall out. And now let's go to that audio. Why is Esther so ashamed of the words that came out from her mouth? Why is Esther so ashamed of the words that came out of her mouth? Not be today people audio start to leak for those cyberspace. Not be today conversation start to leak for those cyberspace. Why Esther own they so terrible? Where be say after 6 to 7 years, those audio, if you still hear and first thing where you go shout now blood of Jesus. How many of you have asked yourself that question? Not be today Esther audio start to fly around on Edo cyberspace. Not be today they start to drag Esther up and down for those audio. But any day you hear that audio, the first thing that will come to your mind is blood of Jesus. Anna Hina. Now they get me. Because it was all about bringing people down. The audio was all about hate. The audio was all about, there is no audio there of Esther saying, I'm going to pray for my children. I cover my children with whatsoever I believe on. I cover my marriage with whatsoever I believe on. There's nothing like that. It was all about Itek Besandrawa, Itek Benokbawa, I am Wegbayekun, I am Wizobo Nenemi local government. I went out to travel Yedori. So you mean say all the money where Europe people they give Esther will carry money for bag. Travel. When Esther give we boss, Esther give we ipak be na wutedo. Iye give we go travel. All the lebov we boss. All mwari evove. All ya hakbe yegbe. All ya vinemaki yegbe. Esther radie Europe tour. Oh vinemaki. Isa genga tuele le dia webo my people. Vivie webo auna. Vimau. Enida mawa. Where we say okay. Okba makin. Ovie wadi ovie voda. Nasi egbe ya kokua. Ivie webo nu wedwa we show na. Ni do ayi go rede ya support we getting ya pepe ogievian. Because I see no reason why somebody will waste thousand to come and watch you. Where they can just use 200 out of that money. Iye ya desi food in a beho. Iye mwe music yo wiyan. Asiye la diyan gbe ya dele behave your table or even don't want anything. I invite a few friends. Ah, die mi do be mo say, wa wo kan bi we wa die mi ba no wa gbe. I see no reason why people will gather those money and come and spray Esther. Eso be ya borrow. Just to spray Esther. You think it's ordinary hand? It's not ordinary hand. It's not ordinary hand. Now juju she they use. And you know you wear the cover next time away. I support you. A good man the way we tell ya support you. But she go carry that money. Or beni where you or ya see where go. Or ya see where go. Or bo basi go. Enya we basi go ya si omego. O manu wa ya fina viku. Or bo wane. Or bowa no kwa we do place. Or beote according to what people they talk. We don't know how true is it. But obeote. Then, oh, ye be backbo. Or may satisfy where are any heavy na. Yes, just for 4 years. Just for 4 years. Esther boy. Ona be egedege. Ona be wanokwa. Ona be ote. For 4 years. Why if you so? Whatever we bona. No wake struggle. Add your family. I pay us rent. I pay light bill. I pay no pa. Why so? Why you struggle? No why be foundation? Why you struggle? No why be foundation? But just for 4 years, Esther boy vani. O my second why total wa we. Ebo dani ni yan lo nu wa ni nu wa digwe mo digwe nya bebo nu wa leru we baba rama o. O na ri ora bo. O na ri ora bo. Who is normal thing is not normal. The question when me they ask, why the juju? Okay, I use my other phone to read it because it don't go up. You said the question when me they ask, why the juju they disgrace Estekia after using a lot of money for juju? Still yet now disgrace go pass and come out. Why? Okay, why not follow God ways? My lady, am I when no my webo? Am I when no my webo? Now person where he hand clean, now juju they work for. The quick touch one day you go explain what thing I do you. I don't laugh to kiss my partner for nose. No, my lady, this will not be laughing matter. My man swan laughing, but my lady sign on myself brand. Oh, now laughing because now truth with the talk. Oh, now they get me. Now true with the talk here. With all the money where Esther don't shop, now some people, you know, go they come Europe again. Talk less or say one can't do talk. You know, if they call Europe again, talk less or say one do talk. You go see let other people know, say, may they still go. If to say Esther na person where they wish a fellow Edo people good thing. Where me anybody with those training Esther ma there. Where me anybody, any woman musician, Nesta ma there we okay. Go me there lele gbe na gba akian. Error. You no gba Nesta pa ere do rego we bona. Anybody lele gbe. Awa westa agado we asado ka biagba jona gbari na we mi o ma lele talove. Na lele gbe talove yan we flighty. Giahian, giare koko muestika la dia mai va giaro. Gimahian. Awa vesta awe. Tawa we. Una never notice and say, Esther, if she confess to like this, they look oh, if she confess to like this, now only her face the day a sticker. When she come for first talk like this, now only her face the day a sticker. Now only she they go all the shoes. Or I ravi honi ya fe ne before other musicians for house. Any kedo day tickets. Inya do buyan day. Then they'll come bring out another sticker. They'll come gum her, join all those people. Say, oh yeah, wadi. Another show continue. After they start going yaneo. If those ones now based on if you complain because they don't know the road, they don't know say abroad na free place. But based on saying that Esther just read the zone they come. You understand? There, any guy instead of Esther we go to okay, she don't first go to, she don't first zero, she don't collect all the money, make she let those new people where just come, make those ones fair they play. Ekwe, now she go fair play. Esther go play more than show where be say 5 people come. Esther go play more than 1 hour. Esther go play more than 1 hour for show where 5 people want for play. Oh, can we only have fair. Or I jo work bole yani. The musicians will suffer, those men will suffer come from Nigeria. All those ones go call they play 20 seconds. They go come they play 20 seconds. And then receive your low. And so give me go. And so give me no finian. And so give me anything. Meanwhile, the reason why Esther add then, where the man come back do say, yes, so my lady, Estekia done the beg again. Oh, this time we not go accept. My accept all soon for national peace to reign. Now, Esther go put all those a face to take carry people come outside for house. Alright, when people come out to come spray those people, but you don't come jegba like stage yami yago. The show where they go for UK, where they bring a panorama becon. Una no see and say na Esther fair play. Una no see and say na Esther fair play. Go back and visit that show. E o e panorama be. the stage king. Esther Oka play. Because why? A bon winner. Why? A bon winner. All those things join why a park will be given space. All those things join why a park will be given space. Esther say people they drag her, people they drag her. Now her husband go fraud people. Where those ones come the saga them. During those saga, now dear she take as Sandra matter can happen. They can begin the drag Sandra with a pa Akobe. A pa Akobe can sing one music. Esther can to say, Yega me a pa Akobe. Or waiting have been a pa Akobe. Is that not a saga? Is that not a bully? For Esther to say anywhere where you see married man, we not do anything. A pa Akobe was just with 24 beats that they do their things there. Over there, we 10 years. Esther, we can hear it me pa Akobe. Waiting have be out. Do you know how disrespectful that is? Okuya no mo ko wenu we jewa. Egbema orchestra we dene na obo ya see my people. Any my yard was silly near OG. I want to sit down cross leg and watch. Runda egbe okirani merie. Okbe nesta ke joja. Nevani so va montan orina. Or when any know ya yebo or ya yebo way. Or when any know ya yebo way. But this time around, we say no. We not agree. We say enough is enough. We say no more nonsense like this. We don't want it. We don't need it. And we will not accept it. My lady Moses say, make I stop. I don't know where me and Esther go for need help. Me go need Esther help. Esther don't feel help people where they are movie industry. I've been at the music industry. Or pioneer. Only the time where we sit here, they need Esther help. Like the days, that day, so when my lady call and say, Toyaku me show. You know, you what Esther tell her, oh, go on, Esther dinidi. Esther soon go over. When my lady, the only person where go her show for Jamie, only know your belly go near. She with her husband. She go spray Esther for show. Support Esther. Promote Esther. Share Esther sticker. The only time we don't want any them from Esther say, la go tell me, we marriage. Why do kumi? Or any vein on, say me down go bring 5 million. Esther say me down go bring 5 million. Esther no go remember say, this woman will be helping me. Not be even say the money na problem. No. But if you want, somebody say, I better block her. She dey talk OP. I'll put her for her comments. Now, once I see what she did right there, don't follow what I talk here. I will shift her go front. Maybe the next video she fit join. Una they get me so. The only time you know my must say when you they talk say I feel need this. The only time when we tell they need their help now. Maybe for one do marriage, one do burial, one do ceremony, or one carry them give person money with their go tear us. They're not going to remember again say these people for Europe. If we come Europe, they show us love. We know they did like that too. Now our platform we take they promote them. Without our platform, nobody know them. Not even them. Nobody know Esther. I don't have issues with any other musician. He may well like a musician. Room down when don't make him. Your money will not carry my. Your money be a But you see Esther, we Europe people say no to Esther Europe talk. Ona we ain't by force in hand ya mi meko. Ireti hand do gbima ba mi gima because my koka man na no pa o my yepa. All do force ma do gbima ba mi gima. O mi o kekerevo. O mi o kekerevo. Esther we ivie Europe man yo we transact ba. Eke na gbe neni yo gwe ye man e go address e man we have a train station. Esther gbima yo. Ona we ain't pa ye wonare. Ona we ain't ladian de pe like for national peace story. Ewe bona yenamiwo. Iye mugbo, omugbo no mu. E show no jowe doni. Can you imagine stand no 1.5 million? I am muye viku. 1.5 million, 1 hour 500 in a DJ. Eh? We are the 500,000 a DJ. DJ go play. Also do so talk me when ya for free for you. We are the 1.5 million no man. And the worst part, we are mwesta viku, we no mwesta viku, we mi go. Aspirin, where? Esther, ma can spray na. Esther, ma can spray na. Ma can spray na. When you want no spray, we no nyaku, we no we marriage, we no desert de kula de mi ya ga we kalopi, we mi ko boso kuma de yosa. Ma ya ni muya. They tested it, they experienced it, yere yagi wise. Because a bow Esther low. A bow Esther low. A bolo. Una they get me so. After all the nyama, una know say egbe sasomu omo defiere. When a baby's ancestor send ya, ona do defiene vum. Or la diadamie, apology, those people, oh, go, women hand so go, walk back where we are setting, but if I need at 50, what bo one kedewa. They will know we are setting those aspects. It not can shock you. Who ya lay a shame at this grace? Go to the righteous now. They have been insulting me, they have been humiliating me. You are a disgrace on arrival. Now we say your husband make you go thief if you have money. Abu when you're not here for this media. You know they talk with Caro Naita media. The reason why you do the media today. Now your odds your way money can play. Mimi say my lady who is to blame. Now we as we they blame ourselves now that pepper body we take the beat Esther so say make she go back to house because we don't wake up. Because we don't rise up. Because those juju don't clear. You say your view is, let me see that comment because your view is beautiful. I give any my lady was say, you know, so if they receive a fresh air from God, I give a fan. Me always see gomawa. I not even want my fan again. Creator say no good for body. Even cold water, or they drink and don't stop her. Me they learn many things for creator platform. Me wa learning no good me say. No car we say on can not me. I know the phone put. See that full Fusca paper. Okay, why is my that full? Oh, let me share the video. Share. So that full Fusca paper letters. Estekia writes, me no understand. Me no see him as apology because inside the letter, Estekia still they insult people inside. Yes, now, and that will not be even the apology where we need from her. That is not the apology we need from Esther. Esther come out publicly to insult Europe people. Not be first time, not be second time, not be third time. The apology Esther is going to give if people go accept. Me no need Esther apology because I know say na juju she take the waka. Even apology is infected with juju. Me no need Esther apology, but Esther will come out with her family. Esther will come out with her family. Thank you, Mama Mimi. Esther will come out with her family. Or to any neck me bore, not biro goni. That one they always they insult us. That her sister they always they insult us. That one way be like waiting they swear for so. That one way be like waiting wish they take position so. Etu any bia iyan be rovima. Etu any quote iyan rovima. So our full family will come out this time around for apology because now waiting she tell them. Now they operate. Omunyima ya na me family oge we ma Obama si mae magbon ige girlfriend de se wi. Ige the girlfriend de se wi. Somebody say, Queen, if the great Benin people in diaspora decided to forgive Esther, will you forgive her too? That one, and when she go come out with her family to apologize and promise to the world that she will stop being a nuisance. She will stop being a nuisance and she go remove copyright for her music and she should stop laying curse on people where they play her music and she should allow her world to have peace. Maybe that time, I feel not forgive her, but I will not be angry with her. I feel not forgive. I feel even forgive, but you know, say forgive, but don't forget. But I feel not forgive her, but I not go insult her. What you concern her, not concern me. I'll just they look at the throwaway face. And here she feel they do artists, they go. They crazy, they go. But if not, anytime I see, even though she sing come out, now saga she will still collect. If she even go see widow, now she go help widow. Will still swear for on top. Anything where she do now swear will they swear for her. Anything like I know say now she go want to pretend, she go want to go share food, she go want to go do this. I see what she write yes now she can write Oba talk be. Esther, me Oba talk be ye post no na tie boni mama. Ma me Oba talk be ye post no na tie boni wa. Enyo e babari mani na involve ye saga. You know when ye nyo wa no kware ma Esther. I know say people where they support you, they not go see and make they tell you. You they insult those people. Body later you go put don't ever bring up bad talk to those your do Facebook wa. When it time we na. The baby e babagi money. I just came in do Facebook wa. Why call the baba man you know where e wo pa bia when it time we na. Because I feel no say oga de gbueni. Na wetin you dey do. Bless na yesterday I even talk am. Na bless na yesterday I even talk am. I even talk and say, what you go do now? You go compose music. Or you make we have a studio ni we so agbon eh. Mauna no be only you baba bono. Mabun mayawa no. Ki manu wera ro yeke ya. E baba nyama. So remove her for your mat. Man, any na be saga don't ever in your life. E de gbe damon. Udo gbe ni e udo gbe ye e vie saga nudo. E de gbe damon me gu we gbona do ma e dia be evi kunu. E de gbe damon. E involve any baba iba man. Oni na ga oni. My lady Edo blog the peacemaker, aka Esther last born daughter. Wagbe, my beautiful queen. Make I read your comments, Edo blog. Me we was so how many days? Say my beautiful queen, I know Esther have offended a lot of us, but let's learn how to forgive, please. My own they say make she let her word get peace. That's my concern. Thank you, Mimi Maso. Edo blog my darling. Edo blog my love. Time away. People feel say, Queen, oh, why do you have personal issues with Esther? I have personal issue with Esther because Esther mobilized people to spread false rumors about me and my families. And also, she contributed in bringing down my page where I take support her without collecting shishi. Without her paying me kobo. She paid people to be using her copyright to zanzan my page. Even her picture, when me tell wish her happy birthday, they use her flag my page. And my page was down. It can't show yellow. And someone remember enter red. May Facebook tell me say permanently drop down. I did a video. God no, I do video. I talk to Esther. Say, Esther, see. We see what they go on. Me telling her that thing. All my own say I go call that person where they admit her page. Make it go tell they say why you wear or make she come out to live video say please my admin. Don't use my music to flag anybody. Don't use my music to do this. Don't use my. She not talk. She not talk. Instead, she come out when they say, pas Frank. Easy. That's okay. This woman. Now when they sweet and I they remember, that's okay. That is the problem I have with her till tomorrow. Now they get me so rude. I go and mom I go there. She was crying for her nonsense page where she used saga build. She wanted to. My lady said, really? Yes, now. Oh, okay, you just say the verse on I say because of say I consider that I not see content too. Or maybe I not see saga do. I get many people why they beat what I never beat finish. When I write their name for book. Where be say I feel just bring the come out anytime to beat them. They be my food. As me be their food. Not be content at the final. That thing where she do me so, that make me the verse or her. For Esther to come out to tidy that issue to say, oh, stop. No, I'm not use my picture to fight people. Don't use my music to fight people because she can't go copyright her music. I don't blog you were there. You know how many times you don't reach out to me to tell me, say, oh, Queen, oh, please, oh, your mommy copyright all my page, oh. Your mommy copyright all my page, all my video, you understand? I'll say, really? Okay, no verse, I they come. Make I reach out to her. Shebi, if you ask you, they tell me, if they reach 1 hour, if they reach 20 minutes, shebi, she go remove her. She go say, oh, okay, matter, okay, ni check. I know people where they come through me, like some of my friends where see there, and they'll say, come and say, Queen, my video pani wa muban, or you visually with the video, so copyright it all. I say, copyright well, okay, modernity. She not going to say, she not going to remove her. Even there was a video where Kurita carry. That video hits almost 500,000. Not be now where Facebook, no, they make better money. That video make better money. You understand? That video make better money. But copyright can't they? People will carry that video, won't get like that. Now, still my friend. She all new start social media. She reached out to me. Queen, please, let me be your mommy. I copyright day my video. I said, really? Say yes, that's okay. Wait, I can't call her. Even that day she did class, I just go say, Mama, see somebody reach out to me. See so person like this, say copyright. So okay, she'll go check the video. She can't go they check the video. She can't see the video. She they remove the copyright. The copyright the entire gay. Yes, true. Okay, thank you, Edo blog. And she they remove the copyright they enter again. As she they remove the enter again. So I you understand the person call they come say, Queen, the copyright they come out they enter. I can't see call I say then, could you believe that say Queen deleted that video? Video where don't make big money. She deleted that video. Not be saying that person get that video. Not be that person get that video. The video was Queen video where the person carry. The video na Queen get the video where the person go blog where he carry. But Queen was forced to delete that video. With all those money, why to make sure say that blogger way carry so made that one self enjoy that money. Now they get me so. So waiting can be Esther Pangolo copyright where she not feel reach out to say anybody even if say maybe she the verse or say maybe people don't go there and ask Queen Rita they give her like people like who question now where Grace where you and Grace they do battle of person lost and person not lost. So why Esther not even still look my own eye say again now have that is one thing If you do for Esther today, now you know tomorrow Esther will come and beat you. She not gonna remember you. She not gonna remember you. Me, I always they talk and say, if they said for this social media, people will replay Esther music. If I not come out for number 2, I come out for number 3. Queen na number 1. Queen na number 1. Me na number 2. Iyorefi be number 3. Then also Lolo. Also Lolo. Now that 4 of us. Now they play Esther music. Then Sarah see they play Lady Jennifer Collins see they play. A lot of people they play. But you see that 4 of us. Because these 4 of us, they do live video constantly. As we they on our live video like this, nice music first. Why will they play? Not because of say we not see music play. I only they talk. Stalio de die. Samone de die. Omego de die. Oen de die. Jetuns de die. A lot of people de die. Or this guy Morege de die. Music surplus. Onigo de die. You see? But because if we just come to music, if we just go YouTube, say we want play music, our mind will go play Esther song. Why? Because we won't give them that view. 2, we they expose those songs to the world. If me they play Esther song that time, when they see my comment section now, everybody they ask me. So they say, yes now, my lady Mama Mercy. People go they ask me for comment section, who sing this song? Who sing? You not get any Esther music that time when me no sabi sing from beginning to the end. When he make me when start say. From beginning to the end, I the singer. Why the singer? Not be say Europe will not the download music they keep for inside phone where I have it no. For one play and direct to YouTube because the Wi-Fi will they use. Therefore, 31 days you are not work back. If you finish, you subscribe again of 31 days of work back. That 31 days, they don't care what if you like share and give 300 people. If you like use and watch 40 television, nobody cares. So far, if month end, you go subscribe again. If I want to play a song, immediately like anytime I go YouTube, I play song. If it gets to a time, if I go YouTube, as I they enter YouTube, first thing when I see our music. If I play anywhere where I don't play finish, as I they go YouTube, now I go see. You understand? So that kind of person, on my name, or as a person, on my name, Danoma, or Logona Dana, or my not here, or way, or my woman say, okay, with our better. You understand? After all those things we did for Esther, what do we say? Mama make mommy. Mama make mommy. Esther have the nerves, the guts, the effort to say, could it husband one spray for particular or go back, me no better. He say, I bat way there for. He say, I bat one can spray everywhere, could they see me? The other one can come. Now so he can jump, go one corner like this. The other one want put money for his forehead, he can dodge, may not put juju for your body. Nene man, if you go near good one. Let Esther go home. May she go do what they call cyber reflection. May she go soak herself for salt water for baths. All those bad luck, bad mind, to their body. So may she go wash and throw away. Then may she use olive oil, anoint her head. May carry Bible, not so anti Bible. May she embrace God for national peace to reign. May she go embrace God. If not be we be a problem. Now she be herself problem. We just say enough is enough. We don't need insults anymore. Now look at what she's doing to Edward. I think for people where they say, oh, Esther, I've never done, I'm gonna leave Esther. Esther is a win, Esther is a queen, please leave Esther alone. She gonna see how she they drag Edward now for years. Thank you, my lady, Mama Mercy. Go, but they say it's a beautiful queen. Don't explain yourself again. You'll be one person where they understand people. Yes. I they easily understand people. Any condition with any situation with any I be. Meya Obama wa, Meya Otiloma. Because now never see something for life. And I go they say, yo, do attorney Samu. I not be that type. I think una see Esther now, the spoil Edward business. Una see how Esther now they drag Edward. Nothing where she never talk now. Edward hair black. Edward hair na China. Edward hair na this. Edward hair na that. I hope you all are hearing and you are seeing it. Edward not talk. Oh. Una know say people wey not they talk. If they do. If they do. I don't talk this word before. I'm repeating it again. The one where Esther they cry for the past 7 years where won't buy so. Now the one where she they talk say na Edward one 7 years ago till now she never recover. Okay. The one where Edward go do her again. Only your high being yourself. Now that one go come by her. Because she they do since now. Empty vessel make the loudest noise. Now they make noise up and down now. You see, say Edward not talk. Edward lock up. Edward do like say she don't know what it is up. But the day where Edward go retaliate, the day where Edward go reply, the day where Edward go give Esther back. He said, Queen, what Esther did to you is very bad. It's okay, bye for now. Hey, thank you, my lady Musi. It's very bad. It's not good. Picture when me daughter celebrate you, wish you happy birthday, promote your sticker. Now make now if you see me, if I post special picture, say you they celebrate something, I go the fear. I the fear if you go this Queen Talk show now, I don't celebrate people well, but you know see the picture for them. Because if I post picture, I don't want they forget that picture for my page. I don't want they forget her. Wait to make me when they get those shock. And because of Esther. Now because of Esther. Because how they use her pictures to strike my page. Pictures why I tell wish happy birthday. Pictures when I tell celebrate her for tour, for everything. Even for marriage. A picture the mayor wishing him happy marriage. I drop her down. I did a video about it that time. Where she do marriage. How many of you remember? Not be only my own they drop. I think they also drop Corita. They drop a lot of people. No, me, especially me and Corita was their real target. When I wish them, when I wish Esther happy marriage life, I can't even be happy that time. I never even the verse to her. Now since when she all crazy come and call the mumu because of copyright, because they zanzan my page because of you. I don't still care, I don't talk, I don't verse. I see they promote you, they say, oh, now my sister, because wait till be page. I can easily build any page I want to build. My own name na brand. Yes, the Queen Talk show, you not get no. You not get who no. Even though this page drop now, you go see I build this page to monetization 3 months. Now it take me to build this page from 1 to 10,000 and monetize it. And 3 months it take me. Even that time I never get name. Even that time I never be brand. Talk less of now why I can't be brand. Maybe I can't get name. Even though say maybe I never too big. I see get people when I be pass. Yes, now some people see big pass me. You understand? If I want build any page now, I feel yes, 2 weeks I don't build page. If I mean I say okay, I want fire down. 2 weeks I don't build page. But it be 2 weeks I don't knock page. I will see get extra pages. If I know page when me get, maybe say 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, then they go 4 Facebook page. Now 3 I they use. Now so I they do this video. Now they live stream for 2 of my other pages. I see get extra 2 maybe say I don't even touch. All those ones I see they decide which one use they do. 10,000, 15,000 followers, 12,000 followers. I see they debate which one use they do. Now I can't even they do video for the other 2 now. So they let people they know say okay that platform is still my platform. Until I decide to know which one use they to do. Page not be my problem. All those things that I sacrifice for Esther, I say, oh, no problem, though the flag be not because me and Lancaster. You see? But waiting can be copyright, where she not feel call person to say, remove your copyright from my platform. Where she not feel call, say, tell me la or you wanna la dia. I must say, before that day, they have been doing the video. Even that man where go sit down with her. Woman go one mumuma go sit down with her. Anytime woman one mumuma go sit down with her. I think she don't finally see mumu the man and say government appointed worker they say with him. The man should be when the man receive that shame now. What he do? He run deactivate your accounts. The man run deactivate your accounts. She be don't feel and say the wolf where in the trade, he don't finally graduate. The man knows say the shame of this grace where the woman give her all over the world, boy friends and everything. Everybody comes and say they say with him. Now with one say they say with one get with one. With one way not good rubber with one. Rubber with one. Now they get me so my people. So, make Esther go Benin. Make she go do it with the cyber reflection. Make she go ask herself if he get bese where we will dey Europe they hold her. If he get what we fair promise to do for her, we will not do for her. If he get where we for offender, not be say she they come and they apologize us. No. Make she ask herself if we get where we for offender where we don't know. So that we will go beg Esther. Ne bag bon make have your human Esther give my one Mary Kuyoto. Or he latterly or Zekitali. Or he say Germany or Zeke Germany. Or he say UK or Zeke UK. Or say Dian or Zeke Dian or Zeke we boya here by people. Or ya twe ya ya no ya wazigo. Don't misquote me when I will say Esther is a ritualist. Don't misquote me when I will say Esther is a ritualist. Don't misquote me when I could say Esther is a ritualist. Allegedly, because we never see evidence. But with what she's doing, she be like a ritualist. My lady say, I don't blog, say, Queen, wait for me. I go saga you 8 a.m. tomorrow. And we saga you, I see this if you the saga, I'm not going to you. don't blog. If the saga be measure you, when we get better appointment letter from the European Embassy of Edo cyberspace, where they give me as a secretary of Edo cyberspace, make a handle Esther case. Me I ekpa we case in Babana, me ekpa we case in Are. Anything else I do, now offense. That's why I on this live video. I'm not even supposed to come live video this evening because I just receive fresh air with my suffering chilling myself. But I decided to on it to say, Esther, Ogun Gwegba apology no mamanu. Why you get my apology? Apology ogbo edinemi. Why load an apology la? Why me an apology me be? We don't need it. Shave it into your own way. Why now we can apologize? Now today you start to apologize. You are be apologizing because akpavioi eukin. Akpavioi eukin. You when you come out that first day to say, I go tell una say, I go beat una. Musicians ya, wasinya eme, ya wak belian, ya wak we no. O my dog belly ma. You see, I said that first day where you do saga, where you fool yourself, you think you were talking. The second day, you see, now that day you confirm and say, present our work, not before children. You see, now that day you feel and say, I will present us in a I know say you feel that second day now weigh your strength. Now look and so now it go on over 10 for like 1 month straight. Without to do when I weigh you say on 90 stand with 1 month, we have to believe malawa. But on 90 stand with 1 month straight sagana. I don't know how I zo. Now there I know say you be offend get offend will be rats. Me where you they see yes, so I don't handle saga. When me and Frank do saga, how many months I take handle saga? Me and Frank saga, I think it lasts more than 3-4 months. Ni mawe Frank yari where you transact my ya fire down with saga. 3 months, I be 4 months. Amamwe breko, me makabu nu. Aga we bomba to bomba. E Frank to boy or if so, ya take it away la ya take it away la ya take it away because I was like, Frank go beat me for saga, you will be boy. We're not beer. We are one when one who say me no who no one about the seki. We are sure we are setting. Every ni me ayak buwe, every yo me ayak buwe, emo bia we can't do. Emo ko me ayak buwe. You understand? You get? We not lazian. Just another 2 video. Me gbabun we. Me gbabun we. We lazian. Amian the we boni ma make. Nene we boni ana we asu we stress. We beg bana. Esther Rambo yi makure. Esther Rambo yi makure. Ariyowa. Ma go home. Agba mesa won we Nigeria. I will be hotel, be egede when we didn't we are stay about 1 year when like webo. I can we are to Toyota. Who am I to boy for fancy? Who boy no go out, be no weba no ku ladian. Ebi de ba no ku ladian, I be no zini a wuzi yo to. Aleje de ya ku yo ku we and you one we are relax. Where you are the white as ya to you when we are chill do. The area ni ma be webo na we don't want you around this vicinity. We don't need you around this country. If not, then ove somana balima avec beri maya isaga gboa. Then ove u pan na e ya nyona. Eri maya yesaga giewe ni ne honwe. Ake muwe ni police. If ye we boa muwe ni police be gana, you know say they good mood that very day. If ye we bona muwe ni police, they good mood that very day. Oh, guys, is my network okay? Guys, my network they okay. Please check if my network is okay. My network they okay. Now they hear me. Every network in now. Oh, this network they teach me lesson this season. Okay, they teach me lesson. Ke okay, iPhone ro wa we aton. Network was zo bobo no pa. Me le run we never even reach August. Hell, me can hear. I will work towards this network, sha. I will work towards her. I will try to look for stronger one. This one not be say no good. It good now because of the sun. Over bungwe. I know I go change and I can't go carry with it worst. Now they hear me, my people. So Esther, Bekbo no ariedo. Okay, Bekbo no ariedo. Ya to tayedo. Ya the waters. Ya gima wodowe, madewe bo, mama make because just get out of this country. Get out. Wakba, you are ungrateful. You know, that beg where you they beg, you are pretending. And they pretend you know how, but we look like destiny. Where you pretend follow, where don't know what they do, he go marry you. We're not saying. He go marry you. You not fit pretend for us. You not fit turn our brain, you be rat. We offer the look, you say, oh, anything you do now offense. If you buy new pants now offense. You sing new music now offense. If you eat publicly now offense. So I say we not just see you for why. Which day for you? You see not 3 months ago where Star come outside say, after he don't come out insult presenter so. They can't tell and say make you not talk again to presenter, make it he can't come outside. I'm sorry. People will say they're not the dress for Europe. I am sorry. Make una nervous. If she did inside party, she go dey insult presenters, she go dey insult people for abroad. If she did inside marriage, she go dey insult all those things where you they do that time where you dey inside marriage, they insult your head. Try again now. As you they use empty bag, they go Benin. So go Benin, may you go marriage, may you go step back of speaker. Go they do live video there, they insult people for abroad. That man, that party so where you go, so person where he carry you, now will beat. The person will carry you. If not burial or even would hours one be. Now that's why you don't say that. Do not know Facebook. With the saga don't buy. If you don't know, go and ask. Somebody say Esther go nowhere because she get show for my house this weekend. Why na way? Uyi. Jen uyi. Why na way? Who cup of you? She gets show inside your house. Inside your bed. Yeah, man, you're stuck in Wadoe. Now inside on a bed when I forgot they do the show. Yeah. How the evil one has fallen. Wahaje kianye. Wahaje kianye. One not do anything. Was ye kia yo no lad onisen. Where conisen the base in kia yo be all the lads and we hoy. May she know say Europe me they're brutal. May she know what Europe we made the beer. Wa make sure we vandalize wa ke fear gear. Neno be no mari okuna dia no sino dori okuno de 50 years. O no be ni ranvi ni. O no be ni adane ni. Wa ke fear gear wa make sure to ni san gi kwa. Ogi ge wo godo. Ya ge ye wo sign no man say we all way. I was sign no man say we all way. O my ladian na no do debunki. Wa bege. Asha wa yo godo e recess ojo. E recess ojo. O me bo pani awo pe malele abeji ta pe lele yan woni ze wa be ho ni na mufo. Ama ma comment e yo na we yan be start appointment later di wa. Yan me show we be di. Yan me won ambe me won re. O wa me gwa mi. Mesta. No wa gbe po pa yo wa le yo lere we wo bi egbo ba mi go. Adi yo ho. O we ba pe any case he says so that one. Now apology with Esther. Not my heart. As now no let her go music tour again. So I have to book her to sing for me for my house. O me fade. Ese gbe to wa ya. Oh ye just good like that. Me saga well because if she did your house, may she not do video say she did here. Because I believe say na pay you go pay her. Not be free even if na 30 euro for daybreak. Now you go give her. Because no say she come for Nigeria now. 30 euro na 60,000 be 90,000. So it big for her eye. You understand? Every live video in a any house will for see. If small mama like me they bedo. If small pikin like make it run pass, him a hand screenshot him a hand sagaya. So wa do when you feel just give us update, you understand? You give us updates alpha. If I did like video, just put the updates alpha. Queen I see na count that day why I tell you so she still coin na count. Me go code with you they talk. You get real live video but where? Because you now you know come that is the nanky where you pay for you know come feel away. Because our saga will be. You understand? If you come visit a vessel from there, may go house. Or walk by the bed where if na airport, Caritas, may they go drop and then may she go house. May go Nigeria. Gary those state, may go house, go sit down. We no one see her. For the show where she get, say, the show where she get for Verona has been cancelled. Okay? Now free tickets. They know they sell ticket again. The show is free. Free ticket. Oh. If you like, go ahead, go buy tickets. You waste your money. It's already free. Now wait till they put on with that. The man where be say he get the show. You see, say nobody come buy tickets. So the man was forced to put his show for free. So don't go pass back, go pay. All right? No go pass back, go pay. All the two show, that's a foundation. Oh, that one has already been cancelled. Tete. Frank say now the show where she get for Verona, and American do apology. Hey, Charlie, you make with Italy. You make with Italy. Hey, oh, Baba. I never go that country, but I know say Italy women. Hey, Yario Boyo. If one Betty Balandi. Hey, Yario Boyo. Even the husbands have they know the story. Inyanga muesta. Inyana muesta. You know how many people don't call me? Inya was swa swai no dear city. Inya was swa swai no dear city. A Verona women why I lose God. Muna no make am feel say Verona say nobody there. E wo kon say ikwe Verona no level. Wa gba leti balandi wa ri e wa te police le gbe wa bi sola o. Wa mu san gbe stage. Wa ya mu e back gbe e right to one. Or na we maybe na dey commit offense. No, it's not offense. As soon as they come, na dey call police. Police it over. Make them don't let them know say, una no need her for this Euro. She's a trafficker. She's a drug gato. She's a short. Every yana filo kwa bebo. Na she dey do. She dey do black market. Wa make sure why you boss here with von for you nwere. They wanna go make na begeri face ore. Wa mi am phone yo wa o. Wa mi am phone yo wa. I dey follow the case of a video. Even if you not go live video that moment, or video already le. When you come back here, why 80 bala de go already stage we are minister with you fin. Oh ye wo fin. Verona women. I know they talk about the men. I know say the men. Una mo do be Verona that for when I go kigo winya ya finesta. U ge wa ri winner. Or work ba ri winner ne. Wa mu go ni. Wa mu go nu work ba wari. Wa mu go nu work ba wari. That for where ya so wa ge call when no we are ye kuni abujo. Or we enjo wa jo wa mu go ni ge. Or we anjo. Where the la wati kuni berane. Because Esther ebo ya kian. Ebo or that for where I bere ni. E then me Esther we show wo to kekan. Amo sunga wi alele. Menage show Esther first e show any show. Amo sunga wi alele Esther amosun. Esther na ye tsepu. Felicia vetansoy. Ige la bubu no Italy. Oni vetansoy. Oni no Felicia ne la bubu no Italy. Ove tansesta. Esther ye kuengere. Ona gbe kokoshu. Ina wa go yo fena. Mena we afine vegeni. But a boy mighty mume. Cause I ebo gebo. A boy ni o mighty mume. Kwe Verona. Why fall him a ball? Because why not saga that promoter now? Because that one already booked. Okay, do def your home. But why fine one? Why fine that one and one? Why support that one and two? Or rugby one? Why be? Because I know send a free tickets now. Nobody they buy ticket. They don't already turn the show to free show. It's free show. Ticket hero. Free show no. Why the ticket? Why be? Why mudiage? No if you koko should be figbe. No mwe be no deko wari wa mugbe. Esther bed night person say waiting just come happen. Say no to Euro tour just come turn for Esther head. Erioji. Olezo Maria be alama igbose. Naimeka. The truth was it was a trap. Yes. That say no to Europe tour, musician must not come. It was a trap. Now Esther, now be the real say no to Europe tour. And now only she, no other musicians. I repeat, now only she, no other musicians. Apart from maybe all those are brothers now and a boyfriend where they insult people too. Now you they say something, now you they insult people where want follow you back. Yaga you one or what deri. Is you one and why we you one and why get thanks for joining mama Iyobo. Iju wana nu waya zije na nu wa follow a footstep again as far where a fan whining. No hand one wa or can say runda e fa very night in my star agi wa. When esta webo se when no yimoto when no travel ya dore ya webo. E fa ye wine. E fa ye wine. Any show promoter una not see say situation she take on. Una don't see her face or any poster. Una see anybody carry am for show. Carry am for show me you waste your money. Man. Can I for sure you waste your money? Your man good day. Do what in a boy. They man we are invite o my here vegani. They by force Maya finesta o mado ya resta we tabima. Ima gwale here. Obi ako he. Wa ya u ni ya zemuria. Sa bo ave la o no mado no do li wan ya zeme. Sa bo la o. And people and reject for all of one. SIT do ya zemfia. Eti do yi wan fia zenima. But now a Parakobe there be the saga before. You know here where Frank talk say now your husband call and make call the saga a Parakobe. You know here where Frank talk and say now your husband now he call him make it call the saga a Parakobe. Now that one you tell no say anytime a Parakobe come show the husband they always they tell Frank make call the saga a Parakobe to disrupt a Parakobe show why his wife go they go the park the money. That was their plan. But God will not they sleep turn the table around for her head. God will not they sleep, turn the table around for Esther is Zobo head. God will not they sleep. On turn the table around the young. Now she, now them be they go they tell Frank. The last time we park over conto, now not see what happen. No drag where they not drag a park over now the husband they side. You know yes, Frank also talk say na be husband also say na made the saga panuwamagbe. Saga other musicians, I have 24 BTV. I know say na the same Frank. I've said it before, but many of them I know say if I tell Frank not the person why not even though I sleep, I tell me and say queen, Frank or whatever her, every Hannah they know matter. I know the one will be truth side. I know the one will be lie side. Frank not be person why no. You know if you tell me person when I dey close to for years, not before one day. Say I don't know her. I know her. That time I thought say now that man they say Frank they can't they do all this saga. Even that time where the saga park, but I say Frank, this your saga they pass. Be careful. I know say now this man they send you. They just they give you small thing and make you come they drag people. We feko Frank not even know say they come make they come beat her last. They use Frank fight people finish. E yana ti a oni aye Frank ya ki ogie ma ya fe. Don't be surprised say now they even they use Frank the saga by the Murphy. Don't be surprised. These people, they are terrible. They are terrible. No gossip matter where they happen for this social media, where they are that man name no they enter. Only my son where you are raising name we are now one zano. Or man not tamana. Even my name presenter make one video. Or man not tamana. Akek bodio eva saga eni eladian. Akek bodio eva shentro eni eladian. Akek bodio eva we industry eni eladian. Akek pe eni eva show promoter eni eladian. A gossip. Or that time I where on we did the time we buy the Murphy saga the Esther. It's last 6 months ago. Abi a panel talk and say the man brought a lot of issues to run. Did the panel say it? Why was that the man bringing those people issue? He and those people the quarrel no. He and those people go they play, go they backbite them. Oh that the Martin ayo that the Raven and Wigala. Only or when look be atalo. You can be say what maybe maybe why dimoto back when you say why neck boy here where ya wa dimoto back where ya the best we na ya wa the guy ya wa only okbia no we don't hear matter okay okbia na otalo but any okbia no himwe okbia ni why ya mu ya uri ya ri ya wa be kini ma na favor ya gbina ni okbia career any okbia boko no ri we gbe mi very oni unwewe omani azeno. Unwewe omani azeno. Sandra for that big pass where she dated today. A Sandra Rimanin we wageni. Sandra for that big pass where she dated today. Our sister Ebony for that big pass where she dated today. Thanks for joining Mama Jessica. Osage, thanks for joining. Good evening, Mama. Ebony for that big pass where she dated today. Don't be surprised. Say all the saga where the saga Ebony is all this why they're there inside. It will shock you to know that they're still there inside. If not be God where carry Ebony come, as Ebony do for the rich, the woman don't look back and front before she betrayed Ebony for this social media. Now what I for happen? Now no as it happen. Make I remember now. During when she and Easy matter happen, when she come and come betrayed Ebony, say, Easy night post the tea say Ebony, shine on by, you come by the cry, not just cry you they cry fake cry. You understand me? Ebony was like, even though you are person, you not they play the person come by. You must still feel and say by no matter what. Ebony come right down one. My favorite presenter. Thank you, my lady mommy Jessica. Thank you so much, Mama. No, they get me. Ebony come write that update. Say, anybody is normal thing. If you see person the more you join the more it's normal. This will not be say me a person they play or not they play. Now easy right again say, Ebony, I know why you hear your mouth. No, you talk to me. We all know everything where you talk. You where you talk, where you go tell lady of Uboloko say, if we come a marriage, if you shall not come a marriage, you not go come. Why skeleton or son go use Ebony to buy? Even if Ebony take you as you be like as query to be so now. Maybe he get one presenter one not like and create a one do party and that presenter they come. I think as mama this person will divide, so I don't like this person. I know you like this person. You understand? Creator come go tell that person say, Queen say make I not invite you. Say if I invite you, she not go come. She not like you. That kind of thing I wait till person go talk. Me make me creator get video because she not be like that. I don't know her for years. I don't know creator find her live video. She's not that type of person. Now they get me so. Now wait till Esther go tell Easy. Easy can't use and shade Ebony for life for write up. You see? Ebony not talk, Ebony not come out. Presenters not talk, put say, Esther, this if you read one about you. Why you do this kind of thing? Why you go to tell Ebony now your friend? As they drag you, even because of you, they saga Ebony, they beat Ebony, they drag Ebony. Why you go to tell Easy this kind of matter? Where you know say them with Ebony not they play. Now Esther your online video say they say me they talk and even easy. Now even easy na any pass. Now even easy na any pass the Ebony. Easy na your family sister, na your family brother. Easy na love, easy na this. That person where they talk so say why she doing like that person not too near her like that. Esther betrayed Ebony who her for live video. The husband was also in support. They break. After she don't bully Ebony for that video, she forget all the stress where Ebony don't follow her path or see any matter if I Ebony na go saga na yeah saga Ebony. Ebony talk for this saga or saga. You know me say two of them no they play, but let there be boundaries. Hey, no, they follow Ebony. No, they follow her. They carry and wishy crisis again. Oh boy, yeah, serious no who. Ebony, my love, just continue with what you are doing because Esther, what that from where is it? Who yama unu grow? They are down a body. They are down a body. They down a industry body. Yamu industry in India. Everybody come as una they eat, they bath, they sleep. How many boys una friend? Down a they friend. Esther now all the ya social media do to yakwa. You what that from? Somebody say, chai. I beloved Esther before. She don't fall her song career. A career na nene nkwa. Feel any aspire. A past glory gini kinia. Any me tota na wana akbe Esther environment me na. Iti police ne kamia wa make noise. Then me wa tota no be wa me camera da ba na kwa oza ve yama. Iwa ho we ogwa pa no re wa yak be Esther. E keni tota ina to ya ike mati police ne kamia ya make noise. Ogwa ni ya make noise wa. Ya we casino wa. Ni ya observe. E no ya be police ne ya de wan yo. O ma kamia ni ya do yo. Una they get me. Ona betrayed the Ebony. Ebony na la the live video. Ebony my no Ebony taste so. I know say she go cry house. Ona la the live video. My no ta. Bele yana go gewa. Evi next uni. Ona ye Ebony again more love. Ona ye Ebony again more love. On that phone gege Ebony gain attention. E ma ya love ona de camera ni destiny tiko. E ma na ya na ya we ha. Ne boni ke leluwa. Ne boni ke tisa ma leluwa. E camera na Ebony ote keke no wadena. Wazen wa mana de ne boni. Wazen wa mana vio ne boni. Oda fo ma la diani. E mini me we do industry. We will set you okay we ran vidia. That's the only thing over. Uyo okay we ran vidia. IT we ku buy who someone no kwa we have figure the musician make na ye ni wesi one dem we no we in any industry who we free academy ba do you have free academy movie academy ba or free music class me ba unwe camera free no dele ba wa gboloko shi wa gbon wa o wa odo bibia me wo wa gagbo yan se ma this dress eyan ya se wo sagbada. Do you know what I've done in the movie industry? I have been this no pa yan na wo bon queen na ina ya fiso ni se no pa yana wa bowe na afiso ni se no pa IT we wa kio then una yi biere ya rego ye gbo you are using that to enrich yourself agio amu win anu don't want tie we ba who put you for position there work by live no do we mi ba abe jeje bari ma 24 bit ma work by ya we we ya no we ya me gbe mazu oko ela bubu ya ni pe won pa nu gun me pe won nu we no pe anoro ma me track whenever do cyberspace ite we ara me chance ido mwen ido e come we picture we yo ido mwe picture we yo ma then I pray